Today I'm going to share one of my favorite pneumatic tools that I actually don't get to use all that often in my shop, but absolutely love when I do. And I'm talking about the corrugated staple gun by Spot Nails. Now, I use this thing for putting together framing, particularly and most often in applications for casework and cabinetry, both commercial and residential. And it basically shoots a corrugated staple that does a fantastic job of not only place holding and connecting two pieces of lumber, but binding them, because the ridged staples actually pull the two sides of timber together when it enters. Now, this thing kicks like an absolute mule, and you're going to want to run it on a decent compressor. If you have an underpowered compressor, it does discharge quite a bit of air. But as you can see here, I'm just doing some 2x4 stick framing, kind of some sub framing for a banquette that I'm building, and I glue and then I corrugated staple these together, and it honestly holds up better than just using screws or framing nails by itself. In fact, if you deconstruct old camper trailers, back when they were built decent quality, you'll see this fastener used all the time for stick framing. Again, I would never use this in a structural application, especially not in a house, but for something like building production runs, skeletons of banquettes, templates for things, this tool is an absolute monster. It's super efficient. You can purchase it. I think you can get it on Amazon still. And, they sell the hardware in hardware stores and online. But for this particular operation, building some built-in banquette skeletons, some subframing for a project in my house, it made such fast work of putting this thing together. And you can see once you skin it out, it's muy fuerte, good to go, locked and loaded. If you guys have any questions, let me know. If not, give this tool a try.